Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is one concept. And what is that concept? This. Use of this. So, today I am going to tell you where we should use this. Okay. So, kids, we use this when any people or anything that is close to us, and one in number, not more than one. When anything is close to us and they are one in number, we use this. The is this. The is this. Okay. When T and H they come close together, we call it the, and we will study about this in our later classes. Okay, so this, you read it as a sight word, this. Okay, so and who is she is Meena, and Meena is pointing to all these sentences, but she is using this in all these sentences. And why she is using this in all these sentences? Because all these things, a tree, boy, house, bird, table, mat, these things they are close to Meena. So Meena is using this in the sentence. Okay, now kids, observe your surrounding. I think mobile or laptop or something is close to you in which you are watching my video, right? So you have to use this for that, because the mobile or the laptop, they are close to you. So what should you say? This is a laptop because laptop is close to you. This is a mobile because mobile is near you. Similarly, all these things they are close to Meena. So Meena is using this here. Like this is a tree. This is a boy. This is a house. This is a bird. This is a table. This is a mat. See, because here this is highlighted in all these sentences. Why? Because these things they are close to Meena. And it is on your page number 84. Now on page number 85, and it is from your literacy book. Okay, so on your page number 85 there are some more sentences. What is this? Hen is also close to Meena, so Meena is using this in these sentences. This is a hen. This is a lock. This is a laptop because laptop is close to Meena. Similarly, this is a bed. Okay, you're sitting on a bed, or you're sitting on a sofa, or you're sitting on a chair. So, what should you say? This, because it is close to you, right? This is a box. If you have pencil in your hand or something else, so what should you use for that? This is a pencil. Okay. Now this is a chair. Okay, so again this is highlighted in all these sentences because these things they are close to Meena. And today our concept is this. All right, so we use this when something is close to us and in one in number, only one in number, not more than one. So we use this. All right, kids. Now let's do some work. So this is on your page number 86. What you have to do, you have to write down the date. Which month is going on? Yes, July. And what is the date today? Today is 10th July. And which year is going on? 2020. So what is this, kids? Cup. So what should I write here? This is a cup. This is a cup. What is this? It is looking like a jar and it is one in number. So this is a jar. What is this? Pan. So this is a pan. And what is this? This is a bug. So this is a bug. This is a mat. This is a cane. This is a can. Okay, kids? So you have to write down these 3-letter words: k, up, j, r, p, and bug. We will study in detail the U CVC words. We will study in detail. Okay, but right now we are studying this concept. So I am telling you about this in briefly. Okay. So we will study U words in detail later on. So jar, mat, pan and can. And kids, here also you have to write only word this. See, Meena is standing here and all these things, they are close to Meena. All these things, these are close to Meena. So Meena is using this. So you have to write this on this page. And you have to do page number 86, page number 87, and it is so simple. And kids, I have one more thing for you. You have to do some more pages because you have 2 days holidays. So what you have to do, these 2 pages, page number 86 and page number 87, this concept. And what else you have to do? You have to do page number 41 and page number 42. Okay, and what else? Page number 43, because we have already done E sounds word, right? We have done CVC words with E. All words we have done, all these words. So because you have 2 days holidays, so if you will do this, then you will able to revise all the words. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to match bed, bed, ten, poet, pet, men, it is so simple. Red, hen, leg, egg, peg, wet. Okay. And on this page, what you have to do, you have to identify the picture. You have to look at the picture and pick the word, pick the spelling from this help box and write it down here. Like this is net. So pick the word net from here and write down net. This is leg. This is, what is this? What is this? This is, the option is not giving here, the option is not here, and this is man. Okay, so now red, wet, and hen, pet, bed. Yes. Okay, so you have to pick the words from here and write it down here. All right, kids? Okay. And about this page, what you have to do, again you have to pick the words from here and write down here. Okay, like a hen with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, a hen with 10 chicks. Okay, now what is this? Peg. A peg near the bed. The net. What is this? Net. So I am picking these spellings from this help box. The net is red. So here I will write red. My dash is hurt. So my leg. And where is leg? Leg. Here it is, leg. So write down leg. Okay, kids. So what you have to do, you have to do all these pages, these e-words pages, because we have already done all the words, all the CBC words with E. This is very simple. You have to match. Here you have to write. Okay, so you have to do this. 3 pages of CBC e-words, page number 41, 42 and 43, and you have to do this page. Okay, page number 86 and page number 87. Okay kids, we will meet soon again. Bye bye all of you. In our next class we'll do one more concept. Bye kids, take care, have a nice day.